Hello, good morning. May I know your full name? Okay, how may I address you? May I see your ID? Where do you come from? Okay, so now let's talk about spending time with others. Do you like talking with people? Okay, how do you like spending time with your friends? Would you prefer to study alone or with others? Okay, do you remember a time when you need to cooperate with others? Okay, now let's talk about pets and animals. What's your favorite animal and why? What is the most popular animal in your country? Have you ever had a pet before? Where do you prefer to keep your pet, indoors or outdoors? Okay, now it's the time for your cue card. You have 1 minute for the preparation and you will have to speak for 2 minutes. So your cue card is: describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. And you can say what it is, how it was broken, how you got it repaired, how and you felt about it. Okay, your follow-ups are IT related jobs valued more by society? Is the quality of products worse than before? What kinds of things do people like to repair by themselves? Why do people like to get their mobile phones repaired in specialized stores?